What's up guys, Dental Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. We're starting off a little different. We're going to do another unboxing. But I promise we're not doing just unboxings anymore. Those are dead. They're no longer going to happen. We're going to... These are just a bunch of parts for the boys and me and whatever. Gore Power Sports stickers. We'll give those to Tanner because he doesn't have any. And this kit is part of his. Oh, wow, that's a lot. Torque converter parts. We got, and valve springs. 3 sets of valve springs. 3 driver spring sets. And some buttons. Why does it only come with 3 buttons? That's stupid. And then 3 driven springs. Stage 1 kit with 2 filters for some reason. And okay, so this one has 2 filters and this one has none. Stage 1 kits, 2 more. And a torque converter. It's the same thing on both sides. Tab 2 torque converter. So yeah, let's go start taking these bikes apart that these are going on, and we'll talk about what we're going to happen when we get the bikes out. Alright, so we got, it's really windy, but yeah, I'm going to try to shield it. So yeah, we got the Timelapse was going. Hopefully you enjoyed a little bit of that. Josh is doing 18-pound valve springs on his mini bike because we got the box parts that came in. That was the unboxing. Sorry about the wind. And then this black bike, the clutch finally fried, and yeah, we got to replace that. So I started taking it apart, but it's frozen on the engine. This one was also pretty frozen on the engine, but I did get it off. We're going to take this engine off and we're going to be putting a Predator on it. And then also we were going to strip this engine. So this will be a few day process so we can get this, have more progress. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and put everything away because we are going to be going camping this weekend. Alright, so as you can see from the time lapse, it died. So here's the next time lapse little section that's going to be in this video. We're going to be taking the Honda engine off of Tanner's bike to prepare it for becoming a really big mean monster versus right now it's a torque monster for up to 15 miles an hour, and then it doesn't really go any faster and it sucks. Jump into taking the engine off. Alright, so that was just that last little section. We got the engine torn off. The bike is good to go for part 1 really of the build. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. We did lots of different things, little things on all the other bikes. And then mostly on that one bike. But hopefully enjoyed today's video. Hopefully we'll get more organized than this in the future. But Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing of my channel, go out and go find your passions.